Hey there hobos, how's it going? Thanks for tuning into our video this week. This trip is something a little bit different. It's holiday season and we've jumped on a plane and gone out to a country I'm sure you've heard of called Cool Croatia. We're going to be doing some kayaking, some hiking in the Paklenica National Park and some wild swimming. Come with us, let's see what we can show you. Croatia is a country rich in history, culture and natural beauty. It has a stunning coastline that runs along the Adriatic Sea and stretches for over 1,100 miles and is dotted with more than 1,200 islands. Our trip today, though, takes us kayaking along the Zrmanja River, which is absolutely gorgeous, not to mention spotlessly clean with a number of gorgeous, hidden and hard to find waterfalls en route. 150 the biggest waterfall is 11 meters high. Wow. There we are walking around. So now we can decide. I wish I could say one of these were me, but no, I'm a mountain man, not a water baby. Now, after our first day of fun, let's have a few Croatian beers and settle down to some gorgeous Croatian dinner.
Just walking up now into the Paklenica National Park. Beautiful park here in Croatia with some wonderful hiking. And a mountain hut maybe halfway where you can get a drink and some cake. Come with us. Let's see what we can find.
Paklenica is a national park located in the Velebit mountain range in Croatia, near the Adriatic coast. It's renowned for its dramatic canyons, karst landscapes and rich biodiversity. The park is one of Europe's most famous destinations for rock climbing. The Anice Cook Cliff, standing 350 meters high, is particularly popular with climbers from all around the world. Paklenica offers over 150 kilometers of marked hiking trails. These range from easy paths for beginners to challenging routes for experienced hikers. There is a rich biodiversity also in the park, and it's home to a wide variety of plant and animal species. It's said to host over 1,000 plant species and is a habitat for large animals such as bears, wolves and lynxes. Also, hidden within the park is a series of underground bunkers which were built during the Cold War era under the directive of Yugoslav leader Josip Broz Tito. These bunkers are now open to the public and add a historical dimension to the park's natural beauty. We came here right bang in the middle of August, and in case you didn't know, it is boiling. So if you do come here, you'll have a wonderful time, but please do bring some strong sun cream and the appropriate footwear for a long hot day hiking. Although a stunning hike, do be aware that it can get quite steep and strenuous in the boiling hot heat, so a reasonable level of fitness is definitely required. After a wonderful day's hiking, we head back to camp for a lovely final dinner on our last night there. A little bit of random acrobatics and a gorgeous campfire, and we were sorted.
So if we both put in the same amount again.
And that's actually quite artful. The way that you laid down that stick earlier. It's like modern.
Splitska policija javlja da je zbog požara na Košinjem brdu zatvorena cesta Klis Luč od križanja sa starom Kliškom cestom do...